Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z11 Indy pace car, one of 3,675 produced. And this one has the 350 V8 engine with 300 horsepower, has the turbo 350 hydromatic transmission, and this one has air conditioning. Also has the gauge package, has the full console on the floor with the floor shifter, and it has the sports steering wheel. This one has a lot of options. They all came with the orange stripes, the orange decals, the orange houndstooth interior. I recorded this at my classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. This is today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Camaro Indy pace car, Z11 RSSS convertible with power steering, air conditioning, gauge package, floor console and shifter, and power disc brakes. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you could share this video with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.